The Prophet said, "Those who listen to the pain and are patient are the most blessed. People keep other people with them. People give birth to children for them. But they don't stop giving them. Allahu Akbar. Otherwise, they would have stopped giving." There is a hadith in Sahih Bukhari, according to International Hymn 4482. Allah says, "Ibn Adam abuses me. He abuses me. When he says to me, 'I have a son,' he abuses me. Such a harsh thing. Although I don't have a child, and I don't have a wife, and I am pure, I don't need a child." Allahu Akbar. This is what I said earlier. A person who needs a child, who knows that he is going to die, after his death, his child will keep his name alive. He who is alive and has everything, he doesn't need a child. He doesn't need followers. He doesn't need followers. He doesn't need a party. He doesn't need a party or a community to keep his name alive. He is alive from within. He has everything. This is a weakness of a person. He wants someone to keep his name alive. He demands a child. He demands a child. He demands a child for his progeny. Allah is free from all these things. And this is such a big abuse. There are words in Sahih Bukhari, "Ibn Adam abuses me." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4482, according to the international numbers. When he suggests a child for me. And then the climax of this is in Surah Maryam, Ayat number 90 and 91. Allah says, "It is near that the heavens shatter." Allahu Akbar. And the earth is in doubt. And the mountains are torn. I am the mother of the merciful. That he has suggested a son for the merciful. If the earth, the heavens and the mountains had feelings, then they would have known how much they are abusing Allah. When they suggest a son for Allah, it is near that the heavens shatter. The earth is in doubt, and the mountains are torn. I am the mother of the merciful. That he has suggested a son for the merciful. Allahu Akbar. So, all people are included in this. Christians, Jews, Hindus. Muslims also did not go to that level. But then they started implementing in this way. And some people, I do not say everyone, some people exaggerated. If some people's case of Nurun min Nurillah is pure, then we have no problem. The Quran is also light. The Prophet is also light. Sahih Bukhari is also light. Sahih Muslim is also light. The light of guidance. It is clear in the Quran. Ya ayyuhan nabiyyu inna arsalnaka shahidam wa mubashiram wa nadhira wa dayan ilallahi wasirajam bidhni wasirajam munira. You are a sun that shines. So, in this light of Nurun min Nurillah, I have a discussion. I am going to give a discussion on the topic of the 41st. People of Sunnah can give it. So, anyway, people exaggerated in some degree. They exaggerated. In Arabic, it is called ghuluf. In English, it is called exaggeration. And in Urdu, we call it ifrat and tafrit. While Allah has given a clear touchstone of theology. If someone comes to you and asks what is the concept of God in Islam, What is the concept of God? What is the concept of God? So, what is that one surah? Surah Al-Ikhlas.